individual. In the capacity I've known her, I've seen her show nothing less than 110%. So I know I will be, but you all should also share a vote.
As secretary of the Scottsburg High School Student Council, I know I can always go to Avery for help. She's always there to offer her services and a helping hand. Because Avery can share a Coke with us, I'm going to share my vote with her.
Is this thing on? As president of the SHS Student Council, I can always count on Avery for anything that I need. She's always willing to help out with projects, even if she didn't sign up to be a part of them. I can count on Avery, and so can you. So make sure you share your vote.
In the few years I've known Avery, she's been one of the most ambitious student council members and very passionate about what she does. Share a Coke and share a vote with Avery Kendall.
Hi, I'm Avery Kendall. Share your vote.